In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shake to undo typing on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot touch. When I see touch, I tap on it, and that takes me into the touch related settings page. Alright, now that I'm here on the touch screen, I can see the option labeled shake to undo. This is what I'm looking for, so I go ahead and tap the toggle to turn shake to undo on. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stays enabled and everything looks right. If I ever want to turn it off again, I can just tap that same toggle and it switches right back, so it's easy to adjust whenever needed. Now I'm backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap touch, and toggle shake to undo on or off. If I leave it enabled, I'll usually spend a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn on shake to undo typing on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and change whenever you need.